So we all know screw propeller. So this is a Leonardo da Vinci invention from the 14th century. So with a screw, we can go on land, we can go on air, and we can go in water. But whereas the wheel is known since ages from 10,000, 50,000, 100,000 years, but no one knows when it was invented. But if you take the wheel of the same size, the amount of distance it goes forward is 2 pi r, which is 10 to 15 times more than the distance which is traveled by the screw of the same size. So, but we have wheels only on the land, but we don't have wheels in air and water. This is forgotten by the modern science. But this what you see on my right side is a wheel in air and water, and this was known and used more than 6,000 years ago in our Vedic texts. So we have found the shlokas for this wheel propulsion in our Vedic texts, which are decoded, and now even the experts are confirming that this wheel was known and used more than 6,000 years ago.